Hey guys, this is PowerCat69. I'm going to be putting subtitles over this. This is my restored Induscom SDI2 commercial ceiling fan. This one is one of the older ones that I just restored. You see I got the gold line back on it, like what I was talking about. And to prove it, you can see this wasn't really done the best. That's really all the proof you'll need because no factory paints that badly. This is what I used. You can get this off of Amazon or eBay. It's really good stuff. It's like just like what they use in the factories, it seems. It wasn't made for it, but it works. But yeah, here it is. This gold line, I just can't get over how factory it looks. If you go here, no, not here, somewhere there, you'll see where I taped it off, but I guess it's just so good you can't see it. Yeah, there it is. That's fan number 1 restored. I guess all that's next for this is to get the 10 UF capacitor and then get this sold, or get it tested first, obviously. It's gonna start raining and you won't be able to hear me, but yeah, this was PowerCat69. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Let me give you a good angle of the fan before I go. And yes, it has no capacitor. It's just hooked up for show, because for weeks I've been waiting to see what this would look like. And if you want to know actually some of the important stuff you'll need gold tape. If you want to put that back on, obviously. And this is the paint I used. This paint is really good if you use it right. And I let it cure for weeks actually while I was waiting for that thing to come. So the paint's on nice and good now. And I did use paint stripper, but you don't have to use that. If you don't mind sanding, just go ahead. Alright, this is PowerCat69. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Remember to like and subscribe.